The start of the second half, ladies and gentlemen. The Gibbo pass, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, the cyclone. I think Joe might be enjoying that. And as an added touch, keep looking to your right, you'll see red 8. He's going to produce the spear for this lovely heart. I'm going to dedicate this to all the lovely ladies here today. Big cheer! It's not over. Thank you. They'll twist ever so slightly to the right, ready for a break in the vertical. Let's listen in as he calls a break. Ladies and gentlemen, how was that? Turn. They're having to struggle very hard to keep that blood inside their head. Ready for the carousel? GR4 pilot, and his wife's here. That's Claire and family, and we're going to dedicate this one to her. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the Twister. And he keeps going round and round. We're going to give him a break now. Red 6 is now pushing up, and he's upside down with everyone else the right way up. Having sat in the back of this, it's really uncomfortable for Red 6. There's nothing you can do about all that blood rushing to his head. Each pilot is calling clear and go. The go signifies the next pilot should move. There go red 2 and 3 again. Ladies and gentlemen, the rollbacks. Flying inverted in close formation, and reds 8 and 9 are going to roll around the smoke, as you can see. Ladies and gentlemen, the corkscrew. That very gruff noise was number 9 saying complete. The leaders benefit because 4-5ers edge slightly forward so they can see the boss. To give you an idea, red 4 and 5, their wingtips are about 6 feet from red 2 and 3. Ladies and gentlemen, the Python. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready for one of the two rolls around synchro. Let's listen into the break. Good jump break, ladies and gentlemen. Let's listen into red 6 for the second double roll. Ladies and gentlemen, the Royal Air Force aerobatic team.